Welcome to part 2 of our pallet fork build. In this part we're going to be working on the quick attach, getting that roughed in place and getting it all settled and squared up and aligned so that it will work. And I'm going to show you real quick here how I intend to do that. If you can see on the bottom of the frame here, I've got this piece of 1/4-inch plate that I'm going to be welding on the sides, and eventually I'm going to drill a hole after I center it up on the machine, and that'll be where that quick attach pin sits down into. On the top, I've taken this piece of flat stock and bent it, and I'm going to weld it in place on my measurement here. And for underneath, the way it works is this piece here is going to sit on top and stick out about 1/2 inch from that frame. I've got these little spacers here. I'll tack that into place, and before we weld anything solid, we'll get this all tacked in good and test it out on the skid loader before we get too crazy, because we don't want to over weld it and then we got to cut it apart to do something. So I'll do some welding and I'll show you the result. Alright guys, I'll show you what we got going on here. We got her all tacked up, test fitted. She's sitting under there fully, nice and tight. A little bit of room on the sides, but not too much. The same over here on this side. That nice piece of flat stock works pretty good, I think. And then on the bottom, our piece of plate's tacked in there. I haven't drilled the hole yet. I'm waiting on a hole saw for that, but it seems to be a pretty snug fit. And you can see as I rock the machine here, it seems pretty tight. I like it. Let's take her back over, get her welded up solid, see how she looks. Alright guys, this is the end of part 2 of our pallet fork build. As you can see here, she's looking pretty spiffy. Got her all welded into place with my terrible welds, but it is what it is. It's about 10 degrees out and that wind ain't helping at all. But she's pretty snug. The whole top part's welded in solid, and for the moment I have not welded the bottom, and that is because I intend to take it off and drill the hole for the pin, but I don't have the correct bit for that yet, so we're waiting on that. So once again, thanks for joining us. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.